And oh man, you wouldn't believe this. It's not like I don't get enough challenges, but look at this. They are just all over the place. And me, and my tools, and everything I touch. Just incredible. And I even sprayed this with flying insect killer. Isn't that amazing? I'm about to put the third panel in place. And the love bugs are loving it. All right, 1 p.m. Finishing just in time. I got an appointment at 1:30. But there you go. There is the new fence section all done. Caulked, capped, and sealed, and screwed into place, and sitting pretty for a couple of years anyway. We have to do a little trim painting, a little touch-up painting. And here's from the outside. And you see it has a distinctly different appearance than the old OSB, but it'll do. It'll do. It'll also make a nice platform if I ever got ambitious enough to paint some stuff on there, you know, like scenery and stuff, which would be really cool if I could move that fast. That would be a really nice thing. That whole thing would make a great mural. Any mural painters out there want a canvas? Your mural at Judd's house. Okay, so there you go. All done on that. Judd, you've just finished another yard project. What are you going to do now? I'm going to jump in the pool.